Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to crochet this pretty little bird motif, and it's really easy to make. It's in 3 rounds. It's really quick project. All you have to know is the basic stitches like slip stitch, single crochet, double crochet. This is what this project will need, okay? Now I have used a size 4mm crochet hook. If you wanted to make a larger in size, you can get the chunky yarn and get the larger hook to make a larger size. If you want to make the smaller one, you can go to the 3mm crochet hook or 2.5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. If you don't know any of the crochet basic stitches, kindly go to my basic crochet video stitches first. Basic crochet video stitches, seriously? Okay, doesn't matter. First you have to start with the magic ring. If you are not easy with the magic ring, you can do chain 5 and join, okay? I personally prefer magic ring. So after making a magic loop, you have to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and this will count as your first double crochet. And into this magic ring you have to do 5 double crochet for the total of 6, because we will count chain 3 as our first double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After making 5 double crochets, you have to just close the center but not too tight, and then for round 2 you have to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, and this will count as your first double crochet. You're gonna turn the work to the other side, and you're gonna work into the same space where we did the chain 3, because we have to increase every stitch now. So you have to work 2 double crochets in each stitch. So working a 2 double crochet in each stitch means chain 3 is your first double crochet, and then you have to make the second double crochet into the same space, and you have to work 2 double crochets in each for the total of 12. So you're gonna work 2 in each for the total of 12. This is really easy for the one who have started doing the crochet. For the beginners, there is a tip that you should keep your hand a little loose when you start doing crochet, because you will get a little bit frustrated when the stitches won't pass. Because when I started the crocheting, this is what happens to me. I really get upset and I do get angry because my stitches won't pass easily, and this is what hurts me a lot. So this is how you're gonna work, and I have did a 12. Now for row 3, which is the last row, you have to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, and turn your work to the other side. After turning your work, let me get my yarn unravel a little bit. You're gonna do a double crochet into the same space we did a chain 3, because we need to increase first stitch. So chain 3 will be your first double crochet, and then the second double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Oops. into the next, work 2. Sorry, work 1 double crochet, and into the next, work 2. So you have to go like 2 1 2 1 2 1 all the way, and you'll get 18 stitches in total. Then you're going to finish this. I'm going to do 2 and 1 and 2 in the next, one in the next, two in the next stitch, one in the next stitch, two in the next, and make sure you will get a 1 stitch individual into the end at your chain 3 space. So 2 in the second last and 1 in the last chain 3 at the top of the chain 3. And this is what happens when I make a tight chain anyways. So this is how your work's gonna looks like. And now we have to do is, we are working like that. Now you have to turn your work upside down, okay? And after turning your work upside down, you're gonna do is chain 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and I am working on this tail section. So after making 8 chains, you're gonna slip stitch, not into this one, in the next one you're gonna slip stitch into the next one. You're gonna work single crochet, into the next one you will do a half double crochet, into the next one more half double crochet, and into the next 3 remaining you will do a double crochet. So we have to do a double crochet into the remaining 3 chains. 1 2 and 3. Now what we have to do is we are going to work on this side now, okay? So this is the double crochet we did on the last, and into this side where you can see, okay, there you can see there is one kind of a yarn over both the sides. You have to yarn over the hook. You're going to insert this one before, double crochet, and double crochet after this line. So double crochet after this line now. So you have to work 2 double crochets into the side of your double crochet, and then you'll get a chain 3. So work 1 double crochet at the first chain, skip the second and work the 1 double crochet into your 3rd chain stitch. 1 2 okay. Now double crochet again into the same manner before this line, because this is a half double crochet we did on the first round. 1 double crochet in the same after this line. Okay, this is the most easiest way I can explain right now. All right, now you're gonna do one. Remember I told you to not to tie the center too much, so we're gonna work one double crochet into the same circle we started whole work. And exactly now we have to tighten the work. Now into the same manner we have to again do the 2 double crochets into the stitch at the side of your first double crochet before and after that line. Double crochet into the next chain and double crochet into the first chain, you'll get it once you will start doing it. Okay, now there you can see we did 1, 2 and 3 chains at the end, at the start of this round, which we started this last third round. We have to insert the hook into this last chain here. Work 1 double crochet. Now work 8 triple crochet into the same space. So wrap the yarn twice on your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, oops, okay. I'm making a face right now. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and you have to make 8 of these into the same chain. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After making 8, you have to chain 3, 1 because we are making a beak, and 3, and you have to give a slip stitch to the first 2 loops of your double crochet. Okay, give a slip stitch. Now you have to work 1 more triple crochet into the same space. We're gonna work 1 double crochet into the same space. Now we'll do 1/2 double crochet into the same space. Now we'll do the 1 single crochet into the same space. And now we're gonna give a slip stitch to the very next stitch after your work's done. Chain 1, pull up your work, and we're gonna cut. And I am again searching for my scissors. So this is how your birdie will look like, and it's really easy to make. You have to adjust later on. If you are worried about this hole right here, you can close it later, or you can take the 2 loops. Like I just worked in 1 loop because my video time was way so much to upload it, so I was in a hurry and I did that. But if you take the 2 loops of your first chain, this is what your results looks like. Okay, but it doesn't look bad either. You have to just close it with some sewing techniques, or you can put the bead as an eye, and this is your motif. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Kindly do comment in the comment box down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.